is 1 coat of the Blossom Gel. So if you want it to be spread really fast, then you apply a little bit more of the Blossom Gel. If you want to be slow, you apply a little bit less. So I'm gonna pick some of this. Is number, can I get the number 10?
Okay.
Number 10, which is the neon green. Right here. Thank you. Oh, hold on. Can you see? Right there. I'm going to add to number 24, jet black. Next to my number 7 is neon green. Hold on. Neon orange. I said, wait. Neon green is coming. Number 10. Just a little. And then number 8 is cranberry. So this is gonna be some ideas. I know there's a lot of you who created your beautiful nail stunning for Halloween. I love that season as well. It's really cool. It's creepy, scammy, but then I love it. And then we're gonna just give it really cool. Make it soar together. And then here is the Blossom Gel. I just accidentally heat it, so I'm gonna put it back in again. All right, ready? We are going to using our twin tip brush to have a both ends, one end with the you can use it for your condensed glue gel and gel polish from the pot, and also is the other end I am going to need it for a little bit details for is when I'm using a Blossom Gel. So you are going to pick up some pattern right there. I did a lot with the before we did with the red and black to create it's really cool, like bleeding and screaming face as well. Some green. The green is cool and stunning, huh? It's really cool. See how simple easy it is? So I am going to get some green. Can you wipe this off for me, please? Thank you, babe. And number 10, I'm just gonna pick up just a little bit. If you want more green. You don't want it, that's fine. If you want to add some green on it, just using just a little bit. And it's really cool about the Blossom Gel. It's just like a cool spreading in it for you. Let's get a little bit of. I love it. Look cool. All right, flash cure first. If you want some more of the cranberry, add some cranberry on. Yes, I'm loving it because it's spreading as you are going. All right, flash cure.